Rehabilitation or renovation loans. If you're looking to buy a house that needs some repairs, you may want to consider a rehabilitation or renovation loan. And there are two such types of loans: FHA's 203K loan and Fannie Mae's Homestyle loan. Let's start with FHA loan. Section 203K insurance enables home buyers and homeowners to finance both the purchase or refinancing of a house and the cost of its rehabilitation through a single, long-term, fixed or adjustable rate loan that covers both the acquisition and rehabilitation of a property. Types of assistance. Section 203K insures mortgages covering the purchase and rehabilitation of a home that is at least a year old. A portion of the loan proceeds is used to pay the seller, and the remaining funds are placed in an escrow account and released as rehabilitation is completed. The cost of the rehabilitation must be at least $5,000, but the total value of the property must still fall within the FHA mortgage limit for the area. Many of the rules that make FHA's basic single-family mortgage convenient also apply here. But lenders may charge some additional fees, such as a supplemental origination fee, fees to cover the preparation of architectural documents and review of the rehabilitation plan, and a higher appraisal fee. Eligible activities. The extent of the rehabilitation may range from relatively minor to virtual reconstruction. And the types of improvements include modernization and improvements to the home's function, elimination of health and safety hazards, changes that improve appearance, reconditioning or replacing plumbing, adding or replacing roofing, gutters and downspouts, adding or replacing flooring, major landscape work, and enhancing accessibility for a disabled person and making energy conservation improvements. Fannie Mae Homestyle loans. Individuals should have a credit score of at least 640 with a 50% debt-to-income ratio. Homestyle loans require that any renovations be done by approved architects and contractors, who may be asked to provide necessary plans and proposals before the loan is approved. When submitting plans to the lender, contractors must be specific about the project's timeline. Renovation should be completed within 6 months of closing, and energy improvements must be completed within 100 days. Once the work is finished, the lender will then hire an appraiser to inspect it and report back to Fannie Mae to certify completion before contractors are paid. Key benefits. The program's benefits include flexibility and low-cost down payments, which can be as small as 5%. Homestyle loans offer generally lower interest rates than an equity loan or a line of credit.
Thank you, Mike. That was Mike at Cornerstone Mortgage. Thank you so much for breaking down FHA rehab loan. Thank you, and tune in for next time. This is Marie Rosado, your South of Atlanta realtor at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Metro Brokers, and this is my daughter Marissa. See you next time. Bye.